Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. Zain with you, and today I'll show you fixing Telegram SMS fee. Now here, as you can see, in some cases you may find this issue in Telegram, and to fix it, it's very simple and easy. First, you want to go and open the Telegram application on your phone. Just do not open it, just hover over the Telegram application and hold on it. Hold with your finger. Then you will see here app info. You can simply click on app info, or you can simply go to the settings, then go and search for apps, then go to Telegram, then search for app info on Telegram. So this is the easiest method. You just have to hold on it, then click on app info. It will redirect you to this page. Just click on force stop, then click on OK. Then what you should do right now is to simply click down below right here in storage and cache. Then you want to go and click on clear cache and clear data, clear both. Once you go to clear cache, click on clear cache, then click on clear local database. After that, you want to go and open Play Store or App Store, whatever you have, then search for Telegram X and install it. Then what you should do is to simply go and search for your Google browser or Chrome browser, then search for mtpro.xyz. And now what you should do is to click on list, then you want to scroll down till you find here this option, mtpro2 online. Just tap on it and link it to the Telegram X. So click on use a different app and click on Telegram X. After that, it will ask you to enter your phone number. They will send you an SMS. Then you will have to add your Gmail, or they will send you a verification code to your Gmail. Just open your Gmail, enter the code, and you're all done. Your problem will be fixed. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new tutorial.